People are starting to look because I'm making weird sounds. We here. Hillstation.
Yep.
This is Upper Session Road, right?
Oh shit.
There you go. This is the entrance. Okay. It's very nice. For two, putting done. This is nice. Wanna sit here? Or here? So to? Near the...
May dress code pala dito.
Oh, talaga? Ugh. Okay. I've always wanted to dine in Hillstation, but I never had the chance to. But now, we here. Prior to this, I had a mini accident. Kind of like broke my finger. I don't know if it's broken, I don't think so, because I can move it, but it's bruised and it's painful, so I immobilized it with makeshift, what do you call this? Card splint, and some band-aids, because you know, survival skills is key. I'm with the boyfriend. We gonna eat. Ano bang in-order namin? We ordered some back ribs, bolognese pasta, and some green salad. Let's see if it's worth it. Okay. Okay. So we have a picture of drinking water and some complimentary breads with olive oil, and I believe those are peanuts with cinnamon and salt and pepper. Do you like it? Carbs. This just looks amazing. Yes. Doesn't that look amazing, baby? Fresh greens from Baguio. Amazing. I forgot to film myself, but this fucking salad is a killer. It's a killer. Good. There's pizza cheese. I believe it's pizza. Wow. Sit like that. Like legit. It's like one of the best salads I've tasted. May toasty flavor. It's like roasted seeds or whatever. Yung nakaka-umay. And you have like fresh greens and tomatoes and alfalfa sprouts and is that peanut brittle? I'm tasting more peanuts. I believe there's peanut brittle in it. There's strawberries and watermelon. Man, it's so good. So good. Yeah, there's peanut basil for sure. Grabe. Grabe. Ang sarap fish.
Salad can be this good.
It's really good. And their servings are really big. So you're like making the most out of the money you paid. Man, it's so good. Strawberries, apples, watermelon, yeah. Oh no, I think it's cucumber.
Cheese pala, no?
Yeah, I think that's pita cheese. People are starting to look because I'm making weird sounds.
A few moments later.
So I don't eat rice, but damn, these are their ribs with the sides of, I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm seeing something that I don't want to see. Stop. And you've got okay. That's it. It's very unfortunate. It's disappointing. Okay, I forgot to vlog. But when I'm in Baguio, I make sure I taste all the ribs they have. This is falling off the bones. It's quite okay. Then the boise has spaghetti bolognese. Are you finding it? How are you finding it? It's masarap. It's masarap. This I don't think I can finish. Also, I don't eat rice, so bye. For dessert, we're having Benguet coffee flavored ice cream with chocolate chips. Although I can't see the chocolate chips, but they're there. Let's dine, Bebe. Let's dine. Taste test. Let's see. It's okay. It's a little sweet for me. I love coffee. It's okay. Huge. Nothing special.
I just want ice cream.
Yeah. You, cause if I got you, I don't need money. I don't need cause, girl, you're my all. And no, I'm into you. Girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss, every hug,